Naghahanap ka ba ng property na malapit sa Manila? Approximately 45 minutes drive from PTEC, ready for occupancy at may option din na i-stretch ang down payment terms. If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Located ito sa Tansa, Cavite at walking distance lang to sa highway. Advantage natin para sa bare finish is binibigyan niya tayo ng freedom na ma-design or makapili ng mga gusto natin ipalagay like tiles, paint at sa sukat ng rooms. Provision ito for 2 to 3 bedrooms at meron tayong 2 toilet and bath. Kaya naman if location wise at naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy units for as low as 9,000 sa monthly equity, tamang-tama sa Emerald Residences para sa'yo. We also have pre-selling properties na located sa Barangay Santol, Tansa, Cavite at malapit ito sa General Trias. At meron din tayo sa 13 Martires for as low as 3,917. At alam mo ba na mas pinababa ni Pag-ibig ang interest rate niya? If you want to know more about our affordable housing, just send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!